Welcome to Piping Tutorial YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be showing you how to read the piping isometric drawings. This video provides excellent information about piping skills for piping fitters. Please subscribe to our channel before starting the video. Let's starting our piping tutorial video. In this video, we will learn correct reading piping isometric drawing as per directions and 3D model. I prepared a 3D model of this pipeline and put the 3D model together with the pipe drawing for you easy reading piping isometric drawing. We will start to read this pipe isometric drawing from this flange and will finish in this flange. The pipeline starts from this flange and extends to northwards a length of 497 mm. Then it turns downward with a 90-degree elbow and a length of 343 mm. Then pipeline turns northward with a 90-degree angle and a length of 1,533 mm. In this point, the pipeline turns to eastwards with a 90-degree elbow and a length of 708 mm. Then pipeline turns northward with a 90-degree angle and a length of 197 plus 533 mm. Here the pipeline turns to east-northwards with a 45-degree elbows. To understand this more easily, the pipeline should first turn downwards for a length of 72 mm at an angle of 45 degrees, and then turn to the northwards for a length of 72 mm at an angle of 45 degrees. At last pipeline continue northward with a 45-degree angle and a length of 2,607 mm. And reading piping isometric drawing successfully completed. This tutorial video is finishing here. If you have any question about video, you can write comments in the comments section. You can watch like those videos by entering the links in the description below of this video. If you liked our video, please subscribe to our piping tutorial channel and share these piping tutorial videos to your friend. Your support is very important for us. Let's not miss the comments and likes, my friends. Thank you for watching. See you on next video. Take care.